What?
They're all that one fucking tree.
Really?
One's pushing you. Another
Yes.
one's pushing you.
Two pushing, two pushing, two pushing.
Which way? My left? Okay,
Towards
thank
me,
you.
Towards us,
Thank
towards
you,
us.
thank you.
One's going center. It's just one now, just one.
Okay, okay. Fuck.
I mean,
Why did he just hit me with a fucking car?
at my
Fuck off.
body, one at my body. I don't know if he's coming to you yet.
Nope, he's looking at me. I'm pointing in his direction. He's running away from me. He's running away.
He's going to your right, so 105 and 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at my orange marker. I highlighted it.
There's two over there.
Okay.
Yup, across the street too. Right at that orange highlight.
That tree's gonna be your best bet.
Yeah, I know.
Because over by us, we're getting shot from behind.
Yeah.
We got two right there at that tree in front of you, to the right of it though, and across the road. You see at the tree over there?
Want my kill.
Nice. Three left. Make sure you watch your water.
Mm-hmm. I see one.
I see him. Yep.
Fuck, I shot the shit out of the tree.
I didn't like that tree.
He saw you.
Yeah, do it. I don't really want to move up on this too much.
No, you're good where you're at. Right there in front of you at the tree.
I'll let them kill each other. Come on, baby.
That had to have hit him.
Dude, I don't know how you didn't kill anyone.
They spotted each other, right?
Yeah.
Kind of okay right here.
Just let them kill each other.
Yep.
Just watch your right side, because that hill.
What is this, two over here, one right there, yeah?
Yep.
Seems like it. Do you have another grenade?
See him move off left.
There he is. He's moving left. Dude.
Really?
To your right.
Oh, fuck you, dude. You're not getting me with that M249. What the hell am I doing then?
Let's get to that tree.
Yep. Fuck, he's in and I'm not. No, he's not. He's not in. Fuck yes. Get some, boy. Get some. Get some, motherfucker. Get some. Oh my god.